Entrepreneurship is often celebrated as a path to innovation, economic growth, and personal fulfillment. Entrepreneurs are seen as visionaries who create new products, services, and opportunities, driving progress and development in societies worldwide. However, the journey to successful entrepreneurship is fraught with numerous challenges and obstacles that can hinder even the most determined individuals. These barriers to entrepreneurship can be structural, financial, social, or personal, and they often interact in complex ways. Understanding these barriers is crucial for aspiring entrepreneurs, policymakers, and support organizations aiming to foster a more conducive environment for entrepreneurial ventures. Structural barriers refer to the external conditions that can impede the establishment and growth of new businesses. These include regulatory hurdles, bureaucratic inefficiencies, and inadequate infrastructure. Regulatory hurdles. Navigating the complex web of regulations can be daunting for new entrepreneurs. This includes obtaining necessary licenses, adhering to labor laws, and ensuring compliance with environmental standards. Excessive red tape can delay the launch of a business and increase operational costs. Bureaucratic inefficiencies, inefficient government processes, and corruption can further complicate matters. Delays in approvals, unclear regulatory guidelines, and the need for multiple permits can discourage potential entrepreneurs. Inadequate infrastructure. Poor infrastructure, such as unreliable electricity, inadequate transportation networks, and limited internet access, can severely hamper business operations, especially in developing regions. Access to capital is one of the most significant challenges facing entrepreneurs. Financial barriers can manifest in several ways. Limited access to funding. New entrepreneurs often struggle to secure funding from banks and investors due to a lack of credit history, insufficient collateral, or the high-risk nature of startups. Venture capital and angel investors are selective, and not all entrepreneurs can attract their attention. High cost of capital. Even when funding is available, the cost of capital can be prohibitively high. High interest rates on loans and unfavorable repayment terms can strain the financial viability of a new venture. Cash flow management. Startups often face cash flow issues due to delayed payments from customers or unforeseen expenses. Effective financial management is crucial, but many entrepreneurs lack the necessary skills or experience. Social and cultural factors can significantly influence entrepreneurial endeavors. These barriers include societal attitudes, cultural norms, and support networks. Societal attitudes. In some cultures, entrepreneurship is not highly valued, and individuals may face pressure to pursue more traditional career paths. Fear of failure and social stigma associated with business failure can deter potential entrepreneurs. Cultural norms. Gender norms and expectations can also pose significant barriers. Women, in particular, may face discrimination and limited access to resources, support, and networks. Support networks. A lack of mentors, role models, and professional networks can leave new entrepreneurs feeling isolated and unsupported. Networking opportunities, industry associations, and entrepreneurial communities are crucial for sharing knowledge and resources. Personal attributes and circumstances can also hinder entrepreneurial success. These include lack of skills and knowledge. Entrepreneurs need a diverse skill set, including business acumen, technical expertise, and management capabilities. Many aspiring entrepreneurs lack the necessary training and experience to navigate the complexities of running a business. Risk aversion. The fear of financial loss, uncertainty, and failure can prevent individuals from taking the leap into entrepreneurship. Risk tolerance is a critical trait for entrepreneurs, and not everyone possesses it. Time management. Balancing the demands of starting a business with personal responsibilities can be overwhelming. Effective time management and the ability to prioritize tasks are essential skills for entrepreneurs. While entrepreneurship holds the promise of innovation and economic growth, it is not without its challenges. Structural, financial, social, cultural, and personal barriers can significantly impede the entrepreneurial journey. Addressing these barriers requires a multifaceted approach involving policy reforms, financial support mechanisms, cultural shifts, and the development of robust support networks. By understanding and mitigating these obstacles, we can create a more conducive environment for entrepreneurship, enabling more individuals to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams and contribute to societal progress. For aspiring entrepreneurs, being aware of these barriers is the first step in navigating and overcoming them, paving the way for success and innovation.